friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be making homemade chocolate popcorn. For this easy recipe, we need popcorn and we need chocolate chips. So just two ingredients. And this is popcorn I just made from a bag of microwave popcorn, and for this amount of popcorn, we need 1 cup of chocolate chips. So I'm going to measure out 1 cup of chocolate chips. And I will melt them in a microwave, in a large microwave safe bowl. This is the same bowl I've used for tossing the popcorn, so it needs to be big enough. So let's take chocolate chips to the microwave. And microwave it on high for 1 to 2 minutes and check on it every 30 seconds and stir until they're fully melted. So I will put it for 2 minutes and I will check on it after 30 seconds. And now let's check on it and mix it. So I'm just going to mix them so they melt evenly. They're just starting to melt on the bottom. And let's continue cooking and continue checking every 30 seconds. Now again, let's mix. And continue cooking. And let's mix again. See, almost fully melted. And return to the microwave. Now it's done cooking, so let's take a look. Perfectly melted chocolate chips. Wow, that looks so good. So let's remove it from the microwave. Wow, look at that chocolate. I just want to eat it now with a spoon. So amazing, melted chocolate. So let's add our popcorn to the chocolate. And toss it so it's coated with chocolate. So just continue mixing until all the popcorn has chocolate on it. Okay, now it's all evenly coated with chocolate. Look how good it looks. And the final step would be to put this chocolate popcorn in the freezer so the chocolate hardens. So let's take this bowl and put it in the freezer for 20 minutes. take the popcorn out of the freezer. So now the chocolate has hardened and the popcorn is coated with chocolate. So the pieces of popcorn are kind of stuck together, so I'm just going to break them up. Perfect. Chocolate popcorn ready to be eaten. I'm so excited to be trying it. Let's try it. So good. It tastes as good as it looks. For a free printable recipe and other easy recipes, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!